Hello dear friends, I welcome you all on Padhai Se Dosti YouTube channel. In today's video session, we are going to discuss about the physical map of Brazil. Okay, so here you can able to see the physical map of Brazil, and we are going to solve few questions which are based on this physical map, and subsequently we are going to study the physical feature or the physiography of Brazil. Okay guys, so let's start with this question. So observe the figure 3.2 and answer the following question. Here it is a figure 3.2. You can able to observe the physical map of Brazil over here, right? So you can able to observe the boundary countries of Brazil, then the water bodies surrounded by this country, okay, or the different physical features of this country, okay, some longitude, latitudes, and here index or the region you can able to observe. Here they have shown the altitude of each and every region of the Brazil in the form of different colors. Okay, from 0 to 200 meter it is a dark green color, from 200 to 500 meter from mean sea level it is a light green color. So likewise you can able to observe. Here you can observe the very light sky blue color which shows the 0 to minus 200 meter depression. So what it is exactly? Minus 200 means it is a region of any particular area which is below the sea level from the ground. Okay, then this 2 minus 200 to minus 2000, why they have taken scale like this? Here 200 to 2000, but here it is 200, 500. Why it is like this? Because this great depression you can only able to observe over here in this sea, because whatever mean sea level is there, this seabed depth is obviously very much compared to the elevation on land. Okay, that's why this scale varies drastically over here. Okay, this is a heights in meter, so height may be positive or negative, depends in which direction we are measuring it from mean sea level, that is from 0. Okay, so if it is upward from mean sea level, then we are taking it as a positive, and if it is a below from mean sea level, then we are considering that particular altitude as a depth, means in negative manner. Okay, so let's have the first question. What is the range of altitude of Amazon river basin? So first of all, let's try to locate Amazon river basin over here. It is given over here in bold letter, that is Amazon river basin, which is in the northwestern and northern part of Brazil country. Okay, and shaded in dark green color. Okay, so you can able to see here Amazon river basin, because this is main Amazon river over here, and there are many tributaries of this river. Okay guys, so this entire part where Amazon river flows and its tributary originate is known as Amazon river basin. Okay, so we can able to observe dark green colors, so the altitude of this entire basin is from 0 to 200 meter. Okay, from mean sea level. So that is the answer for this first question. Between which two highlands is the Amazon river basin located? So here you can able to observe in the northern part of Amazon river basin there is a Guiana highland, and in the southern part you can able to observe the Brazilian highland. So your answer should be Amazon river basin lies in between the Guiana highland and Brazilian highland. Okay guys. The next one, observe the region with the altitude 500 to 1000 meter. Describe the locational extent of this region shown in yellow color with reference to direction. Remember these words. We have to describe the location of that part, but with reference to what? With reference to the direction. Okay. So let's see. This is a yellow part over here which gives us the altitude from 500 to 1000 meter in that particular area. So if you consider this yellow part over here, it lies in the central and south central part of this particular country. So our answer should be this yellow part of Brazilian highland, is it lies in the south and central and south central part of Brazil. So this is a directional, means in which direction, in which part of that particular Brazil, in south direction and south central direction. Okay, so it is located. The next question is, what do you what do the isolated region shown in yellow color? Okay, so this is a yellow color over here. What it indicates? It is a highland region, specifically a Brazilian highland. So it gives us the idea about the Brazilian highland. So next question is, beside the Amazon river basin, where else do you find the region with altitude less than 200 meter? So wherever there is a dark green color portion, so that part or that region have altitude less than 200 meter, or in between the 0 to 200 meter, we can able to say specifically. So here in the western part of Brazil, you can able to observe this Paraguay river basin. So here you can able to see the altitude of this region which is less than 200 meter from mean sea level, and second part is this Pampas region. There is a very narrow strip along the coast which shown in dark green color, which is also have altitude less than 200 meter. Okay, so this is our answer: the Paraguay river basin, the Pampas grassland, and the coastal narrow strip of Brazil. Okay, so remember this thing. The last question over here is, describe the plateau region with a height of 200 to 500 meter through which tributaries of Amazon flow. Okay, in your word you have to describe this thing. So here you can able to divide the tributaries of Amazon river in two different parts. One is left bank tributary and one is right bank tributary. So how to identify which are the left bank or which are the right bank tributary? You just have to stand in the direction of river flowing by facing your face in the direction where river flows. Okay, suppose this is a river which is flowing from west to east, so your face should be in the eastern direction. So if your face is in eastern direction, then whatever tributaries which are meeting this particular Amazon river from your right hand side, they are known as right hand tributaries, and which are meeting to this river from left hand side, it is known as left hand tributaries. So the this south flowing river which originate in Guiana Highland and they merge into Amazon river, they are the left bank tributaries, and the rivers which originate on Brazilian highland and then they merge into Amazon river, they are north flowing river, so they are the right bank tributaries of Amazon river. So you just have to name all these rivers over here: the Japura river, this Negro river. Okay, there are many rivers. You also can take a reference of the drainage pattern of Brazil, the map which shows the drainage pattern of Brazil, and you can able to name all these things. Okay, so here you can able to describe this particular basin as its slope is from west to east direction, and the Guiana Highland slope is from north to south, because river are flowing like this north to south direction and they are getting merged into Amazon river. Okay, and the Brazilian highlands, the northern part of Brazilian highland, its slope is from south to north. That's why these river are flowing from south to north direction and they are merging with Amazon river basin. So guys, in this way we have described this Amazon river tributaries also, which are originating at the height of 200 to 500 meter, means on this highland region, and they are merging into Amazon river basin. So guys, I hope you have able to solve all this question, you get the idea how to solve these questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, do comment, do like the session, share with your friends, and do subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the notification of upcoming video session on time. So have a nice day. Thank you.